The car I repaired was an Opel Vectra 1.8 petrol engine. The fault on this erratic idle was due to a leak on inlet manifold. I took a set of seals for inlet manifold and replaced it. In other cases, rough idle may be caused by dirty mass airflow, the non-MAF sensor, or dirty fuel injectors. That was. The other fault I had was a faulty driver airbag. Before replacing it, checked if there is a bad connection due to deterioration at the sensor, which is located in the passenger seat or at the airbag. This car, Opel Vectra, was a faulty airbag, which I replaced with a new one.